Hi everyone, today I want to share with you 5 tips on how you can save money while also helping the environment. So let's get right into it. My first tip is to choose reusable water bottles. According to the Container Recycling Institute, more than 60 million plastic water bottles are being thrown away every single day. Have a reusable bottle to carry with you so you can use that instead of buying a new plastic water bottle every single time that you want to have a sip of water. You can use a Brita for your home or office. That will save you money as well as reduce your plastic usage. My second tip is to unplug your electronics. Did you know that your appliances are still using power even if you've turned them off but left them plugged in? So think of your computer, your phone charger, your straightener, blow dryer, printer. Those are still using power even if you've turned them off but forgot to plug them out of the wall. Now, it can be difficult to remember to unplug every single item, or maybe it's too much work. So one quick fix is to have a power strip with an on and off switch. So now all you have to do is plug in all of your electronics into the power strip and just remember to turn it off when you're done using those appliances. I have that set up in my room. I have a power strip that connects my phone, my computer, and the lights. So whenever I'm done using those things, I just turn off the power strip, and it's been really easy for me to remember to do that. And of course, don't forget to turn off your lights whenever you're leaving the room. And on that note, I want to share with you guys this really awesome service called Connect. And it's a service designed to offset the energy produced by the dirty power plants by alerting their users once or twice a week during their hours onto when to save energy. And all residents across the United States are eligible to participate and earn rewards. If you're a resident of California, Texas, or Toronto, where your energy is provided by specific energy providers, you may be eligible to receive money through this service. So check out their website for all of their details and their requirements. My next tip is to use energy efficient light bulbs. These compact fluorescent light bulbs are about 75% more energy efficient, and they typically last 6 times as long as a traditional light bulb. So even though it's a little bit more expensive up front, you'll be saving yourself money and energy in the long run because you won't have to replace them as often as you would with your traditional light bulbs. My fourth tip is to recycle your electronics. We're constantly upgrading our phone or computer to whatever newest version comes out. So instead of throwing out your electronics, go ahead and recycle them. Online sites such as Gazelle and EU sell actually pay cash and typically cover the shipping cost as well for your old electronics. Major retailers such as Amazon or Best Buy also have buyback programs for your old electronics. So think about that next time you are going to throw away your electronics. Check out the Environmental Protection Agency e-cycling list for reputable electronics recyclers. My last tip is about transportation, and this really depends on what area you live in because not every city has a fully developed public transportation system in place. I'm in San Diego and the public transportation is not that great here. But if you're living in a city where that is an option, think about that next time you go on a trip. And try to use a public transportation instead of your car. It will save you money and gas as well as reduction in car emissions. Now, another thing to think about is apps such as Lyft or Uber. They have that ride sharing pool option. So if you're comfortable sharing your ride with another person, then that could be an option. It's always cheaper than having the car to yourself, and it once again helps with the reduction of car emissions. So those are my tips on how to save money as well as help the environment. What are some of the things that you're doing to help the environment? I would love to hear. Let's connect on social media. I'm more active on Facebook and LinkedIn, so let's connect if we haven't already. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more of my weekly videos, and I'll see you all next time.